Today I'm going to be checking out this new case that I got for my GoPro. The old one broke and I needed to replace it, so I figured why not get one of these that holds and does a lot more. Let's take it out of the box and check it out. So this is the case out of the box. It's a nice solid case. It does have this little door on the back so you can put your GoPro in there, and then you just slide this back in and it snaps. It's got a little plastic snap piece here, and it does go out pretty easy. If you just push down on this when you go to pull it, it comes out. If you go to try to take it out without pushing here, it stays kind of locked, so you have to just barely push in and then it will pop out. It's got a cold shoe up here on the top, so you can mount different things like that to it. And it's got this little compartment down here, and the reason it's got that is because if you have one of the older GoPros that need this device, I mean this works on the new ones too, but the new ones have media mod also. But if you have one of these, you can get this device, you can slide it in here, and then you can connect it to your GoPro and it will hold your microphone connection. This is for an external mic. And of course it's got the little connector down here to use with all your other swivel pieces. And you have access to all the ports and everything that you need. So when you've got your camera put in there and this external mic device, I mean, it all fits in there really nice, not hanging down and all crazy. Like I said, it's got the cold shoe up here too, so you can put a mic on top. You basically can use one of these to kind of turn your older GoPro into having like a media mod setup like the new ones do, where you have a case in there and you have microphone and everything on it. So you can do that basically with your old ones with this. So really like it. I'm going to be using it, and I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.